Hi. Oh, my poor chicken coop still laying in the grass. Actually, it's a chicken run. It's not the coop. It's just the run.
Well, good afternoon. Alan Taylor here. You can see it's a beautiful day here in Texas.
No, it's cold. You got your sweater on.
55 degrees.
You got your sweater.
Rolling my nomies.
You got your sweater on. It's cold.
We didn't update you guys last week because we were in the middle of a windstorm. It was like 25 to 30 mile per hour winds all day long, up to 50 mile per hour gusts at certain times. And you can see our chicken coop was blown over.
It's the run. It's not the coop.
The chicken run was blown over. No chickens, because we were going to go get chickens last weekend at Canton, the flea market, but the wind blew our chicken coop down and we didn't finish. We broke a couple of the PVC connectors and we just didn't repair it, and so we didn't buy any chickens. So we're still thinking about that piece. But something else you might notice is missing. There's no hoop house.
No, our poor little garden's over there struggling now.
Yeah, and
it's still doing all right because they ain't got to freezing yet.
So the wind took out the hoop house. The canvas is still good. The hoop, the house part itself is good, but it broke the frame. Follow me, I'll show you the frame. It really did. So you can see the big pile of mess here. And here's one of the. You can see it's bent. Well, no, this is one of the hoops. The actual.
That was supposed to be.
This is supposed to be bent, but it's not supposed to be broken.
It did rebuild it though.
So it totally did a number on the frame. We're going to rebuild it out of PVC pipe.
Nope.
You're not going to use PVC?
No.
We're using PVC.
No, we're going to use cattle panels.
Oh, cattle panels. They changed the plan. And you can see
we got the solar panels.
Solar panels in the well house.
That they're supposed to be up there. Up there.
Yeah, we're going to put them on the roof. And you can see the batteries and the inverter and everything. Teresa put all this together yesterday.
All working.
While I was working, and so there is now solar power in Dad's well house.
Yes. It's not all switched over yet, but
yeah,
it's on its way.
So we are making progress there. And
our poor garden.
Oh, the basil is looking awful.
Yeah, I gotta go out there and cut it all off.
Another thing we got going, we got a driveway.
We got no fence. No fence.
Yeah. We tore down the fence. All
of it's done.
There's no fence. The barbed wire fence is completely gone, except for right here where the mulberries are.
No, dewberries.
Dewberries. I keep calling them mulberries. They call them dewberries. They're berries. But we got just the X right
and what's
there.
Going
the barbed wire fence.
What's going right there? Raspberry.
And you can see the driveway.
He got a driveway so he can park his van in the yard.
So we can park closer to the bus, our house. You can see it goes all the way up around the tree to the main drive.
The mud.
So Dad ordered a load of rock. He did the first half, and then I ordered a load of rocks, and he spread this out. You should have seen him. He was so excited. He hopped on his tractor. His beautiful tractor you can see over here. As soon as the dump truck wasn't even out of the drive yet, when he was on his tractor over here spreading all this rock over here so we could have a driveway for our bus.
For our van.
For our van next to our bus where we're living. And so for the folks that are concerned that this is looking a bit permanent, well...
No, the bus is permanent.
It's
semi-permanent.
Semi-permanent.
The bus is there for now.
We don't know how long we're going to live here in this way. We just did this so we can move, because we are living here in the wintertime. We wanted to have a shorter walk from the van to the bus whenever we go out somewhere. that's where we stand on that. So we're making progress, doing some things, and that's where we are. We're still rolling with our nomies. And but we also
Lord help.
and I need some therapy. That's clear and obvious.
You want to say goodbye?
Well, you want to tell them about your curtains?
Oh yeah, we put up white curtains, make it lighter and brighter in here, and keep out some of the cold.
I wanted to keep out some of the cold, especially in the early morning when it's really cold, because we're waking up to 40-degree weather now, and it gets a bit cold overnight. So we put up the curtains to keep out the cold and to make it brighter in here, so that when we have our track lights on in the ceiling, it actually looks brighter and it's not dark and depressing.
Right.
So that's it for this week, I guess. Anything else new that I might have forgotten?
No.
Well,
but everyone should subscribe.
Yeah,
we need subscribers.
You know the deal. Like us if you like us. Like us if you don't.
Subscribe.
Like doesn't necessarily mean you like us. It just means you saw us and, hey, that was pretty cool. So like us if you like us. Like us if you don't. Hit subscribe. Share us with your friends, because we know your friends are going to like us. Why? Because we're rolling with our nomies, baby.
You got to stop that. You got to stop that.
Stop rolling with my nomies?
I'm going to get rid of that sweater. You got to stop. All right, y'all. Come on back on Monday for our weekly update.
See you then.